Who's live with me? Live with VMJ. VMJ celebration, the alpha and omega of codes, where money starts and where money ends. Who's live with me? Who's live with me right now? Who's live with VMJ celebration? Tell me if you're live with me. Tell me if you're live with me. Tell me if you're live with me. I'm about to go out now. I'm done trading. I've made 300,000 a day. Today I've made 300,000. Tomorrow I'm planning to make at least about 2 million. Tomorrow I won't make anything less than a million tomorrow. I won't make anything less than a million tomorrow. So today I've just made 300,000. $23,000 is currently running. More than $20,000 is currently running. And trust me when I say it, the system and the codes are doing the most. They are doing the utmost. They're doing everything that they need to do. So yes, you are live again with VMJ celebration, the alpha and omega of codes, where money starts and where money ends. Your mentor's favorite. Listen, we're doing it big. I'm trading live right now, and I've just pushed some few trades according to the system, and I've just made more than $20,000, which is plus minus 350,000 rand. Just now in a day, the codes are communicating everything. It is just straight, and we're doing it big. December is guaranteed. December is secured. Money for Christmas, money for New Year is secured. The codes are doing the most. The codes are doing the most of it. The codes are doing wonders. So I'm just here to greet some few of my people. How's the trading there? How are you doing today? Do I have my people in here? I'm here for my people. Do I have my people in here? Drizzy say, my brother is saying, so bruh VMJ, the system is 100% accurate. I'm telling you, the system is 100% accurate. It's doing the most. Right now, currently, I'm pushing some few trades. And trust me, it's about $23,000. $23,000. So I'm telling you, it's just messy. It is just messy. I see my brother Sizwe, Georgino. I'm seeing Urine Mangi, my king. He's saying, VMJ, you are a king. He's saying, please give us a signal. Just sell Nasdaq there. But I don't know when, because with me, I've got an EA that is monitoring on my behalf. Even if I can go to Santin City right now, maybe to go buy something, I will come back. I've got an EA that is monitoring everything. So yeah, let me just take you through to the chart right now. It's about 23,900 now, so it is just messy. We've been doing it big, and we are now doing it more than bigger. So let me just take you through so that you can see something for yourself. Are you there? $24,000 right now. The system is communicating everything from the average price direction. Everything is killer. Nasdaq 0.50 US dollar account, which is 24,000 is plus minus. Okay. It's a live account. 24,000. It's about 24,000. It's about. Let me see. 24,000 times 17. 24,000 times 17. Let me just check here. Let me just see here. I'll just check right now. But 24,000 times 17 is how much? So you can also do your own checkings there. But 25,000 right now is going up. It's going up. The system is communicating with Nasdaq. The system is communicating with Nasdaq right now. As you can see, it's going up 0.50 right now. You can see that 0.50 Nasdaq. The system is already communicating with Nasdaq. $25,000. $25,000. Check the entry, check the perfect entry, check the perfect entry, 100% entry from the system. It's 100% entry from the system. The system is doing the most. So it's plus minus 310K. Mr. Mchali is saying VMJ, that is plus minus 300,000. It's plus minus 300,000, my brother. That is about $25,000. Because $10,000, it's about 170, 160. So yeah, it's plus minus $350,000. So now we are doing it big. If you're live with VMJ, you are live right now. We're doing it big. My king, wise men Netedzo. I see wise men. I see wise men Netedzo. My brother Stephen Brown. I'm with you. You know, it is what it is. The system is communicating. It is still communicating a strong buy. It is about 400,000 now. $25,000. It's plus minus 400,000. So we're doing it big. The system is communicating. Check this out now. I've got my today's high. Check that. I've got my today's high. And I've got my today's pips, high and low. So meaning that I know everything about the future of the market. So you see now, it's about $25,000, which is it's the right time for me to close now. It's the right time for me to close now. According to the system, it's the right time for me to close. Already the sell has exhausted itself. Already the sell has exhausted itself everywhere on the screens, balance versus equity from $3,000 to 28, from $3,000 to 28,000, balance versus equity. It is too much. Codes are communicating. Check the balance and check the equity. 29,000 now. 28, 29. So now, the markets, they fluctuate, but what is more important, it is to see money. It is to see profits. It's happening live. So now you see, about 25,400, 24,025. So now, the markets, they fluctuate. Of course, to all my haters, my brown bread. So now it's a live account with VMJ celebration. So it's about 24,000, 25,000. So we're doing it big, guys. I don't wanna lie to you. I don't wanna lie to you. We're doing it big. I don't wanna lie to you. We're doing it big. My brother just, Mr. Mchali, my brother has just confirmed right now. He's saying it's about 425,000 in rands. 425,000 in rands. So my brother is saying VMJ, it's about 425,000 rands. He's saying the entry is the killer. My brother Greasy is saying VMJ, the entry. He's saying VMJ celebration, the alpha and omega of course, where money starts and where money ends, the entry is killer. That is from my brother Drizzy SA. Some other kings in the game, some other lords. Let me see. Sbonelo Ngiti is saying Mr. Alpha and omega of course. It is indeed where money starts and where money ends. I'm seeing my people, my brother Mchali has just confirmed that VMJ $25,400, it's around 425,000 rand. So yeah, we're doing it big, guys. We've been doing it. We're still gonna do it. And December is guaranteed. November is guaranteed. Any brand is guaranteed to be bought. So we're doing it big. I'm just here to motivate some few of you guys that the system and the codes, they are doing the most. The system and the codes, they are doing the most. You are live again with VMJ. Let me just put in one person, my brother Sia. Let me just put in one person just to motivate the brother. Can you come, my brother Sia is saying? I wouldn't mind to play in the house. Hey, King. Hey. Some other kings there. Are you good?
I'm good, my man. I'm good. How are you doing?
What's up? So tell me something. Tell me something quick.
Yeah, man. I see you are killing this, man, with no system, man. I've been watching you. You've been doing great, man. I just want to salute you, dude.
Thanks,
I hope
King.
you help the whole Africa. Man.
Yes, King.
Thank
you
very much, my king.
My brother. I appreciate, King. I appreciate. Salute. We're doing it big. We're doing it big. The system does everything. The system
I
does
see. I see.
everything. The system doesn't repaint. So now it is just 100% accurate. Thank you, King. So when are we seeing you?
Yeah, man, anytime soon, man. I'll be ready because I just wanted to be with you. I'm in Cape Town currently, so I would like to
Yeah,
be
I see.
under your team as well, you know.
I see, King. You take care, man. You take
Yeah.
care. You take care. You take care. Let's respect everyone. Let's respect women, kids. You know, let's just take care of everyone and ourselves. I'll see you soon, King. Okay, King. Okay. Thank you, buddy.
Okay, sure, my man. Sure, bro.
Thanks, King.
Thank you, VMJ.
That is my king Sia. He's from Cape Town. That is my king Sia from Cape Town. Some other kings in the game. Let me just take my brother. Let me take Raymond Mushale. Some other kings. Raymond Mushale. Come in, brother. You are live with VMJ celebration. The Alpha and Omega, of course, where money starts and where money ends. Your mentor's favorite. Yes, my brother, are you there?
How are you? How are you, sir?
My king, are you there?
The market is, you're killing the market, my man. You're killing the market.
My brother, it is not me. It is not me who's killing the market. It is the system. It is the codes. The codes are communicating. My brother Ray. Okay, I've just lost this other king. I've just lost this other king Ray. King Ray. I've just lost him. Some other kings from the other world. But you see, the fight is not. It is not against man, but the fight is against poverty. So I've just lost my brother, Mr. Ray. But I believe that some other time we're gonna connect again. And let me just take Goodwin Muhammad. Goodwin Muhammad, you're alive again with VMJ. Goodwin Muhammad, you're alive again. Okay, I've just lost my brother Goodwin there. I'll just take some last person, and I'll just take one more last person, guys. Just know that VMJ loves you. VMJ appreciates you. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the love. Thank you for everything, guys. We're doing it big. We won't stop. Let me just check. Let me try and put in my brother Busisa. My brother Busisa, I just wish that you come to this live. I don't lose you like the others due to network. My brother Busisa, are you there? My brother Busisa, are you there? Busisa, I'm still waiting for you, my brother. You're alive again with VMJ.
Okay, can you hear me?
My king, are you there?
I'm good, and how are you?
Talk to me, king. What's up?
The camera.
What's happening?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah. King, how's your trading today?
Yeah, it's good. It was good. It was good, but not like yours.
Let me see something. With me right now, the EA, the VMJ codes EA, it won't close trades due to the fact that the system is still confirming more money. You saw there, I showed you about 24,000. So now it's about 26.
Yeah.
Now it's about 26,000. Let me show you quick. Can you see that?
Please show me.
So now we are on 26,000. $26,000. The system is still confirming that we can still
Yeah.
26, 25, 26. Balance versus equity 3,000 to 3,000 to 29,000. So it's a live account with VMJ celebration, the Alpha and Omega, of course, where money starts and where money ends. So we're doing it big, brother. We're doing it big. 0.50, 100% entry, perfect entry, 100%. It's not 80%, it's not 90%, it's not 95, but it's 100% entry. Of course, we are trading Nasdaq. Of course, it's Nasdaq, and we're doing it big, brother. Yes, King.
So how much is the system?
Huh?
How much is the system? How much is the system?
It's too much. It's too much. So I think that's because now you see now we got packages, right? So we can talk on which one. Maybe you just want the system, or you want the system with codes, or you want the system with mentorship, or you want, you know, the physical training. So now we can only talk on DM. Yes, King. Okay, guys. You know, you are very, very blessed. You are very, very blessed to experience that kind of a balance versus equity life with VMJ celebration, the alpha and omega of course, where money starts and where money ends. We're doing it big. We've been doing it big. So we're still gonna push. Let me just put in one more last person, one more last brother. Let me take the king. Josi. My brother Josi, are you coming? My brother Josi, are you coming? Stephen Brown official, some other kings from some of my kings from Tanzania. Hey, king.
VMJ.
Hey, some other kings there, some other kings. Are you good? What's up? Tell me something.
I'm good, my king. How are you doing?
I see. How's your trading session?
Good.
How's your trading session today?
We are killing it.
I see. With me, it's not me who's killing it, but the codes. The codes, they are communicating. So how is your trading today?
Good. Yeah, not that bad, but I'm coming for the software. I'm coming for the system.
I know. When this week or next week? Are you coming this week or next week?
No, next week, for sure, next week, Monday.
Yeah, I see. All right, no, there is no problem, King. We will communicate on DM then.
No problem, King.
Yes, King. Are you there? Okay, King. No, there is no problem, my King. All right, I've just lost him, guys. Let's respect kids. Let's respect women. VMJ followers, we don't lay hands on women. We respect kids. We say stop to this gender-based violence. That is my message to you today. To say let's respect kids. Let's respect women. Let's respect everyone. Let's respect our elders. No matter how rich you can be, your uncle cannot say and cannot call you an uncle. No matter how rich you are, your uncle cannot call you uncle. You know, you will always remain their nephew or their boy. No matter how rich you are, let's make it a point that we respect people. We respect girls and women. Just know that you're alive with VMJ, and I believe that we're still gonna be having some sessions like this one. I love you.